In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And as you can see, smart typing options are over here. In order to access more of them, scroll down just a bit and tap on More Typing options. Then manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!